experienced the last couple weeks, the pain that she's been going through. And she thinks that I'm not, that I'm not the one we scroll. I do scroll at night after work because of course I have my business, but at night I'm looking through and I see all the pain. And I see how the way she gets upset. Of course, she's thinking, what are the future us as young people are going to have? We've seen all this disaster happening around the world, and it looks like if the world is not doing anything about it, So she feels hopeless, and I feel hopeless. But I just want to say one thing: we are not hopeless, because God belongs to all of us, and He gave us our weapons, and our weapons we have to start using it, and that is prayer. When we come united as one people, one together in prayer, it'll move mountains. Yes. And that is what I do at night when I see her crying. And I see the people suffering, and cry people too, because we are one nation under God. One nation under God. And so we have to come together. Maybe we can do this another time, but pray for Curacao. Pray for United States. We also have to pray for our enemies, that they can be delivered from the evil that they're doing. It's not only for the Palestinians, but also for the ones who are committing the crimes. We have the power to pray against them, and we have to start doing that. So this, I think, is the beginning of something that's going here, and it's going great. We're sharing information, and it's wonderful, and I hope we can continue spreading the word. And telephone, if you don't have your telephone, guess what you have? You have the power of prayer.
Definitely.